What's the meaning of bomb threat? Bomb threat. Bomb threat.
Bomb threat. Bomb threat. A bomb threat is a warning or message that there is a bomb or explosive device present in a specific location, such as a building, vehicle, or other public space. The implications of a bomb threat can be significant, as they often lead to evacuations of buildings and disruption of public transportation. In some cases, bomb threats can be empty threats made to cause fear and panic, while in other cases, they may indicate a credible and imminent threat to public safety. Regardless of the specific circumstances, any bomb threat must be taken seriously and responded to with appropriate measures to ensure the safety of all individuals involved.